Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Dremel Flex Shaft Arbor Flexible Tool. This is the 225 series by Dremel. It comes with a nice information sheet telling you how to set it up and how to use the device. You have to make sure that you don't go beyond a 5-inch radius. So when you use the tool, keep that 5 inches or less, just to avoid heat buildup inside the tool, because there is a shaft running inside this. Now this will accept 1/32 to 1/8 inch shanks, and it comes with the wrench and a 1/8 inch shank and nut adapter, and the nut adapter that's going to allow you to connect this end to your tool. Now I'm going to be testing this with a Dremel 8220, a cordless Dremel tool that I have. As you can see, this is pretty small diameter. It's like 1 inch at the thickest point, as opposed to your Dremel tool. So you're going to be able to get into really tight spots, and that really is important. I do a lot of work on radio controlled airplanes, and sometimes I have to grind out the wood inside the fuselage, and this is just perfect for that. So I forgot to mention, this shaft is 36 inches long. Now for maintenance, every 30 or so hours, you want to take the flex shaft out just by grabbing it like that. And you can see there is a nice grease on there, and you want to add automotive ball bearing grease on it after 30 hours. And then you just slide it back in, and it'll then go back into the slot on the end of the tool, allowing you to use the flex shaft at that point. So we're going to demonstrate how to use this. I have a Dremel 8220, and you can see, great tool. It has on there, it has a sanding bit, and we're going to take that off and we're going to show how to attach this. So let's just hit the lock on here. We're going to unscrew that and remove that sanding bit and the whole collet that came with it, just like that. And then we're going to undo the outer screw mechanism on there. So now it's basically nothing on there. So we're going to take the included collet that has a matching end piece on there that matches the end of the flex shaft. So we're going to rotate that clockwise, and that's what the tool is for. We're going to tighten that up a little bit, don't over tighten it. So now we have the end set up properly for the 225. Now we're going to line that up with the hole right there, and we're going to turn this clockwise until it locks in place. And you don't want to over tighten that, you want to go 1/3 past finger tighten, just like that. Now when I turn this tool on, that end shaft is rotating. Now, very simply, this end shaft does have a lock button, so you can take the included 1/8 inch collet and put it on there and rotate that clockwise and hold that button right there to tighten it. And let's put the same tool that we had on my Dremel tool on there. Let's put that right back on there, just like that. Now let's tighten it up. Use the included wrench. You don't need to over tighten that. Just like that. And remove the press button right there. So now it's free to rotate. So when you first use this, you want to have this run for 2 minutes on high speed with the flex cable totally out, just like that. So I'm going to do that right now. And what that does is it lubricates the inside metal to nylon bushings inside the 225 flex cable. Once you do that, you're all set. And because this has a nice hook on there, we could take this and we could put this in a vertical direction like that and hang it vertically while we're using this tool. It works best when you're hanging your tool vertically. And again, keep in mind that radius, keep it under 5 inches. But as you can see, this allows you to get in very close to any work surface that you're doing. I mean, you can see the difference right here in size, and that's perfect. This is a very handy tool. I've had them for years, and this is a new one that I got for this drill. And the chart does show, I'm going to show that chart, has a compatibility of all the different Dremel tools on there. So you can't go wrong. Let's turn this around this way so you can see the name. Dremel tools are synonymous with high quality tools, and you can't go wrong with this because you're going to get close access to whatever you're doing, and you could change your bits to whatever you need. So I really like this product. It's inexpensive and it just makes your tool much more functional. So I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with your buying decisions. Thank you for watching.